You are going to love 2012 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, adjustable headrests, power steering, auto express down window, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, center armrest. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.